Yun guys, hello. Pack up na kami papuntang Pilipinas. Yan, pauwi ng Pilipinas. Dito kami galing sa Macau. Yan, si baby ko, babalik na kami Pilipinas. Yeah. See you soon Philippines, let's go. Nawa Panginoong Hesus Kristo, gabayan niyo po kami sa aming flight. And sana walang maging problema at kung meron man ay solusyonan namin ito lahat. Let's go, baby ko. See you and see you Philippines. Let's go.
Philippines.
Thank you Macau. Thank you in 1 year service here in Macau.
Thank you, my
Thank you. And syempre sa amin tinuluyan dito sa Macau kay Maymay and sa ate niya. Let's go. Kay Ate Joy, thank you. There we go. Bye-bye. See you around. Ayan po mga kargado namin, no? Ang dami. Tsaka ito. Yan si baby ko. Let's go. So, punta na kami ng airport. Yung baby ko, yun o. Baby ko.
Yung 18 pa, hindi pa pwede?
Yun guys, so yung dala namin, grabe ang dami. Ano? Andito kami, naghihintay ng bus ng 26. Ayun na. Yun guys, naghihintay na kami ng Pinas. Sabi mo? Ha? Nandito kami sa airport, mag-prepare na kami na aming mga dalahin. Yan o, dami, grabe. Yun na, ayusin na namin ang aming mga dala-dala. Ayun kay baby ko, grabe, dalawang card. You know? Grabe. Thank you. Oh? Grabe, ha? Ano to ata? Departure sa sa taas. Tara ko, tingin tayo lip. Ayun, lip. Saan yung lip? Let's go. Dito na kami sa airport. Punta na kami sa taas. Ayun, sa taas ang arriving department. Let's go. Ayan guys, so andito na kami sa airport. Waiting na lang kami ng flight, ng check-in. Yan, merienda muna kami. Let's go. Ano yan, baby ko?
Shumai.
Pe and siomay. Yan. Yeah, dito na kami. Hintay na lang kami ng check-in. Ay, mga dala namin. Waiting kami na check-in. Yun guys, so mag-check-in na kami. Yan si baby ko. Ay, so flight na kami. Yun o, andito na kami sa departure area. Ito na ang aming mga ticket, passport, going back to the Philippines. Yes, let's go. Naway gabayan kami ng Panginoon sa aming flight. Thank you, Lord. Yes, again, thank you. Yan. Baby ko. Baby ko. Yan eh. Yan mga dala namin. Dito kami sa loob na ng departure area. Ayun guys, so hindi pa pala yung aeroplano namin. Yan. Kaya airport ng Macau. Ayan mga aeroplano. Laki. Yun ang ano, Lisbueta. Guys, so baby ko, pakain-kain lang oh. Grabe. Kahit saan mapunta. Ba't mahilig na kumain yan? Tuwing babiyahe ka, kumakain ka ng chicheria?
Hindi yung maramdaman yung sumas.
Yan pala.
Hindi ko ubusin ka mamaya na.
Ito kami, hintay ng ano, flight. Medyo late kasi aeroplano eh. Dapat alas 8:20 ang flight namin, late ng isang oras. Ayan, tuloy, napakain si baby ko. Napakain. So, ano na kami, nakapila na kami, papunta aeroplano. So, yan, dami namin. Oh. Yan, sa gate 9 kami, yan. Papasok na kami. Let's go. Yan, dami. Let's go, baby ko. Back to the Philippines. Yes. Thank you po Lord. Magpa-flight na kami. Naway gabayan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po sa safety kami dito sa ano, sa airport. Then gabayan niyo kami sa ano, pag-flight namin God. Maraming salamat. Go. Yan. Kain na kami sa aeroplano. Yan, AirAsia. Let's go. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yeah. So, kain na kami. Aeroplano. Thank you po Lord. Let's go. Sa aeroplano ng baby ko.
Aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Sa mga upuan, ituwid ang mga sandalan at ikabit ang seatbelt. Tiklopin na rin ang mga mesa at buksan ang tabing ng mga binti. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang pagkuha o pagtanggap
Hello guys, thank you po Lord. Nandito na kami nakalapag sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, no? Baby ko. Yan o. Yan o, yung jeep oh. Ganda ng jeep oh. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Manila. Let's go. Go! Nandito na kami sa Philippines. Yan o, Duty Free Philippines. Yes. Saan? Baby ko? Welcome Philippines. Thank you Lord sa safety naming flight. Thank you Lord. Guys, kukuha na kami ng aming luggage. Yan. Let's go. Kukuha na kaming luggage. Thank you Lord, nakarating kami ng safe. Kukuha na kami ng luggage dito. Let's go. Baby ko. Dito na kami sa exit na kami ng airport. Let's go. Yo, kain muna kami baby ko bago umuwi. Yan, picture.